What's up guys, this is Shan Haider and in this video we are going to do a gaming performance test of Honor X7b smartphone by playing few of the most high-end heavy graphics game on the highest possible graphics setting. We will also monitor the battery performance and whether we are going to face any heating issue or not. So let's start it. So for this testing purpose, we have set the screen refresh rate to 90Hz, the battery percentage is 89 and the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. And we will use the performance mode from the battery settings to get the best performance out of the device. These are the games we got today here on our Honor X7b. So first of all, let's start with Injustice 2. And for this testing purpose, we will also use the Games app of Honor Magic OS and we will use the game mode from this game widget to get the best performance from the device. And here you can have a look on the FPS meter. So let's play the game and let's see how much FPS we are going to get. So the graphics quality is looking good enough. Here you can see we are getting 60 FPS. There is no fluctuation in the FPS meter, so it seems we are constantly getting 60 FPS or it is not totally correct. The gameplay is looking smooth enough for sure.
Bet you didn't see that coming. I am superior in every way. This mountain is not moving.
It's normal to be intimidated.
So everything was nice and smooth while playing Injustice 2 on Honor X7b. There was no frame drop or lagging, gameplay was smooth enough and according to the FPS meter we were getting 60 FPS. Let's go back from here. Let's close Injustice 2 and now let's play Call of Duty Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of Call of Duty Mobile you can see by default medium is selected for both graphics quality and the frame rate. I can select high graphics quality with medium frame rate. I can select very high graphics quality with medium frame rate. If I select the high frame rate, then the graphics quality is moving to low. So the maximum possible graphics setting is very high graphics quality with medium frame rate. So let's play the game and let's see how much FPS we are going to get. And here we have also downloaded the HD resource pack, as you can see, to get the best graphics quality on Call of Duty Mobile. So the graphics quality is looking really nice. We got good amount of depth of field. The gameplay is looking smooth enough. We are getting 60 FPS here, as you can see in the game widget.
Kill confirmed. Enemy in sight! Target down! Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
So there is no frame drop or lagging happening. Everything is nice and smooth. As you can see here while playing Call of Duty Mobile.
Sniper! Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
Enemy down!
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed. Stealth chopper inbound. Kill sentry gun ready for deployment. Sentry gun deployed.
Tango down! Enemy down!
Stealth chopper on standby.
Sniper down. Tango down!
Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Target is down! Target down!
Kill confirmed. Kill confirmed.
So everything was nice and smooth while playing Call of Duty Mobile on Honor X7b. There was no frame drop, no lagging, graphic quality was good enough, and according to the game widget here, we were getting 60 FPS. So let's close Call of Duty Mobile and now let's play Asphalt 9. So here in the graphics setting of Asphalt 9, you can see we have selected the high graphics quality and the 60 FPS in the frame rate. So let's play the game and let's see how good the performance of the device is going to be. So the graphics quality is really nice. If you have a look on the ground, the details we are getting is so good and the gameplay is very smooth. And we are getting 60 FPS here, as you can see. So no frame drop, no lagging, gameplay is very smooth, the graphics quality is impressive and we are getting 60 FPS here, as you can see in the game widget. So everything was nice and smooth while playing Asphalt 9 on Honor X7b. Graphics quality was great and the gameplay was very smooth. Let's close Asphalt 9 and now it's time to play the last game for today, and that's PUBG Mobile. So here in the graphics setting of PUBG Mobile, by default smooth is selected for the graphics quality and medium for the frame rate. I can select high frame rate with smooth graphics quality. If I go to balanced, then the maximum possible frame rate is just medium. I cannot select even HD graphics quality. So this is the maximum possible graphics setting and I'm going to play the game on this and let's see how much FPS we are going to get. So here you can see that the graphics quality is not that great. If you have a look on the ground, you can see a bit of blurriness and the gameplay is not very smooth as well, but it is still showing that we are getting 60 FPS. You can see that the CPU and RAM, the stats are changing but not for the FPS, so I think it is a bug in the game widget and it's constantly showing 60 FPS for Asphalt 9, Injustice 2 as well as for Call of Duty Mobile. I believe we were getting 60 FPS, but we are not getting 60 FPS for sure while playing PUBG Mobile because the frame rate is medium, the graphics quality is medium as well. So there is no way that we are going to get 60 FPS on PUBG Mobile on Honor X7b. So now the gameplay is looking quite smooth. So you can see that the gameplay is smooth enough, no frame drop or lagging is happening, and this 60 FPS showing in game widget is not correct for sure. I think we are getting around 40 to 45 FPS. Graphics quality is okay, gameplay is smooth enough to enjoy it. So if you have a look on the grass and all, you can see how much detail we are getting. Not that great. The gameplay is very smooth. We are getting around 45 FPS for sure. So here you can see how much pixelation we are getting in terms of graphics. Not that great for sure. So if you're a PUBG player, you should be getting the idea about the gaming capability of the device. It's looking good enough to enjoy the game, especially considering the hardware specs and the price segment of the device. So I'm just going to leave it here now. So the battery percentage moved to 81 and the temperature is 34 degrees Celsius after playing all of these games for like 45 minutes. That's the duration of this video recording. So the battery performance is looking quite nice, and same goes with the gaming performance as well, especially considering the hardware specs we got here on our Honor X7b. The performance while playing the Injustice 2 Call of Duty Mobile as well as the Asphalt 9 was quite impressive. The same goes with the PUBG Mobile as well. Graphics quality is not that great, but we are getting good amount of FPS here, around 40 to 45 FPS, and because of that the gameplay is smooth enough to enjoy it and we are not facing any frame drop or lagging. So if you are a gamer and you want to have a budget smartphone, then you will be happy with the performance of the device considering how much money you are going to spend on Honor X7b. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.